In this video, you'll learn how to buy Pepe coin on Binance. By following these steps, you will be able to successfully navigate the Binance platform and make your purchase efficiently. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Binance website. Once the page loads, locate the sign in button, usually found in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on this button to proceed. If prompted, enter your login credentials to access your account. After signing in, ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account. You can do this by checking your account balance displayed on the dashboard. If you need to deposit funds, locate the wallet option in the top menu, click on it and follow the prompts to add funds to your account, ensuring you have enough to buy Pepe coin. Next, once your account is funded, navigate to the spot trading section of the platform. Look for the trade menu option on the top navigation bar. Hover over it and select spot from the drop-down menu. This action will take you to the spot trading interface. In this section, you will find a search bar where you can enter the name of the coin you want to trade. Type Pepe into the search bar. As you type, you should see the Pepe coin listed among the results. Click on the appropriate trading pair that corresponds to Pepe coin, such as Pepe/US USD, to access the trading interface for that pair. After selecting the trading pair, you will be directed to a page displaying the market data for Pepe coin. Here you can review the current market price and other relevant trading information. Take a moment to analyze the price movement and decide on your purchase strategy. Once you feel ready to proceed, look for the order entry section, typically located beneath the market data. Enter the amount of Pepe coin you wish to buy in the designated field. Additionally, select your preferred order type, such as a market order or limit order, depending on your trading strategy. Once you have entered the necessary information, review your order details carefully. To finalize the purchase, click the buy button to confirm the trade. A confirmation message may appear indicating that your order has been successfully placed. After this, navigate to your wallet to verify that the purchased Pepe coins are now available in your account. This step is essential to ensure that your transaction has been completed successfully. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.